Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone so Do Not Disturb works immediately. First, confirm iOS 15 or later and add focus to Control Center. This makes the toggle one swipe away. Next, mark urgent contacts as favorites so you can allow their calls if needed. Once done, swipe down from the top right and make sure the focus tile is visible. This first step saves time and prevents interruptions while you customize why and how DND blocks alerts. You now customize how Do Not Disturb behaves and why it matters. Open Settings, tap Focus, then Do Not Disturb to set who can reach you and which apps may notify. Choose Allow Calls from to permit favorites or specific groups. This keeps important calls through. Tap Options to allow repeated calls within 3 minutes and set a schedule if you want automatic on/off. By tailoring these middle steps, you balance silence with accessibility and avoid missing urgent alerts. You finish by activating and verifying Do Not Disturb so it reliably blocks interruptions. Use Control Center to toggle DND instantly or rely on your schedule for automatic activation. Make sure lock screen and home screen options are set to hide badges if you want full quiet. If notifications still appear, restart the iPhone, check app-specific notification settings, or reset the focus profile. This troubleshooting tip resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.